Do you know that some of the biggest creators you know today posted 10, 20, 50, even 100 videos with barely 10 views each? No likes, no comments, no subscribers, still they showed up. Just ask yourself this question: what if the next video I'm about to post will be the one to give me everything? But you will never know if you stop now. Hi beautiful people, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about tutorial and how to grow on YouTube fast. So if you're interested on this one, please subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly why you should keep on posting even when it feels like no one is watching, because what you are doing now is bigger than what you ever think. First of all, know that you are building foundation. See, every single video you posted is like laying a block in your YouTube building. The more blocks you lay, the more stronger it becomes. Big creators might have 100 to 300 videos on their channel. You might have 10, 15 or 5 videos on your channel. Just know that you are laying a block, that you are building your channel. Don't expect to build a mansion with few bricks. Your early videos is not meant for millions. They are for practice, and practice makes you progress. Even if people aren't watching, the algorithm is taking note of your channel. You might not see it, but YouTube is taking closer look at how you upload. They are tracking your title, your thumbnail, your watch time, and how people interact with your videos. Do you know that you are feeding the algorithm information with every upload that you made on your channel? It learns more about your ideal audience, and one day the system will know exactly who to show your video to. But you have to keep posting, you have to keep giving them information, you have to keep uploading. Let's be honest, do you know that your first video might be the worst video you have ever uploaded? Mine is not good as well. See, you need to make sure that you are uploading every day. Uploading means that you are improving, you are getting used to the system. You don't get better by thinking, you get better by doing. You learn how to be confident in the camera. You learn how to upload your thumbnail, the type of thumbnail that is clickable to your audience. You even learn the types of topic, the types of videos that your audience wanted, so that you can be able to post it. So keeping quiet or quitting now is not the best option for you. The growth is in the journey, not in the result. Even the smallest achievement can just pile up and become a great improvement. Sometimes you might have 15 views on your video. Just ask yourself this: what if one of these 15 people actually learned something new from my video? Maybe one subscribed, one shared your video. You might not see it, but your video is working silently in the background. See, I have seen some creators posted videos and they did not get any views. Maybe they did not get a lot of views on that video. But you see another creator, if the person will post the same topic and boom, the person will just get 1,000 views within 24 hours and 10,000 views within a day. That is how YouTube works. You can gain a lot of views today and tomorrow all your views will just drop. It has also happened to me, because I know that I have been getting a lot of views, I have been getting a lot of subscribers, but coming few months later, I stopped getting a lot of views, and so many people were just commenting on my video: you bought subscriber, how come you got 3,000 something subscribers and you are getting low views on your video? So you have to have patience. Don't be discouraged about what people comment on your video. Don't be discouraged about what people is saying. Just keep posting your video, just keep showing up. You might not know the video that will just give you everything that you are looking for on YouTube. See, the people who supported you, that will support you deeply, you will not find them in a day. They will find you when they need you. And if you quit now, they cannot be able to find you again. That's why you need to keep on posting. You need to keep on pushing. You need to keep on uploading your videos. Consistency builds trust. Even if it's 10 people now, they are your first tribe. So you have to treat them with loyalty. You have to publish whatever thing they subscribe to your channel for, because those 10 people if they keep on watching your videos, the algorithm will detect that these people are always watching your video, and they will push that video to so many people, and that's how growth comes. So if you quit now, you are not going to get what we are looking for. See, the hard truth is that the difference between the big creators and the small creators is not all about talent. It's about showing up. They keep on showing up. But if you use that your video is not getting views today, or you might be getting views before and now your views has dropped and you quit, that is how so many small creators quit on the way. But if you keep on pushing, I swear to you that one day, just one video will just blow up, and you will just get your subscribers, and you will start getting views. Most people quit at 10th video, 20 video, but the winner, they keep on posting 100, 200, 150 videos, and you will see one of those videos is the one that made them to be where they are today. So which one are you going to be? You don't need to be perfect. You need to be present. You need to keep on showing up. You need to keep on posting. You need to keep on growing. The views will come, the subscribers will come, the engagement on your channel will come. It's just one step at a time, only if you never give up. This video help you, please comment I will never give up. And if you want to seriously grow your YouTube channel, just subscribe, turn on the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video, and like the video so that other small creators like us will have the courage to keep on posting their video. See you in my next video.